Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get PayPal money off hold instantly. It's really simple and easy. So just open up the transaction that is currently being on hold. So just click on it. After that, you will find this option of add tracking info. Just click on it. And if you find the option to select it as a service or other than the product, that you would be able to tell PayPal that it was not a product that is being sent. That way you would be able to receive the payment quite fast, and also that your client that also confirm that they have received your services. And in case if it is a product, then simply select it, ship, and after that select this option of tracking info not required and then submit it. After that, an option will appear in your client's account, and if they confirm it that they have received the services or your product, after that you will be able to receive your money quite instantly. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.